Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today I got another early look for you guys. Shout out to my people at JD Sports, but y'all see this box, so y'all already know what time it is. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm gonna give you guys a ton of early looks, as many of them as I can, man. So make sure y'all are tapped in. But let's go ahead and look at these shoes. Let's go.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology.
All right, so as you guys can tell by the box, you already know what it is. These are the upcoming Jordan 6 Salesman or reverse infrared, whatever you want to call it. These are supposed to be a sample that never released, and I feel like the hype behind these are kind of dying down, in my opinion, but y'all comment down below and let me know. But as you guys can see right here, the unique box, we got a kind of like a paper sack color box, brown, and then the red Jumpman logo right here. We got the Nike Air on the side, got a little label right here, it says Air Jordan, and then this is a size tag, this is a size 11. You can go ahead and pause your video if you need to legit check your pair. Again, JD Sports will be doing reservations, so make sure you guys tap into them to reserve your pair. So we're gonna open this box up, and then as you open it up, they do have some unique details. This is gonna be a tag that's gonna be in there that has like the date, the original date, 10/1/1999, black infrared. Like I said, this was supposed to be a sample. You got two sets of paper, the black paper right here and then the white. And then we're gonna open this thing up, and we do have the sneakers right here. Now, off rip, quality control sticker for those of y'all think it's foo-foo, and then tag right there. So off rip, let me get us some better lighting right here. Off rip, as you guys can see, not a bad sneaker, bruh. You know what I'm saying? As you can tell, for the first thing, no signs of 3M on them at all. You know what I'm saying? The red is spot on, in my opinion. They finally got it right. You do have that Nike Air on the back, which is something that a lot of people like. The red and black spoiler back there. So basically it's just a reverse, you know what I'm saying? Where the red was is not, it's black, you know, infrared type things. You feel what I'm saying? And then on the bottom, you do have the bottom that looks like this. It's got the icy with the red Jumpman logo right there. Nike Air is gonna be branding, Nike branding is gonna be on here on the lace lock, the Jumpman logo right there. Black tongue with the Jordan. Looks like the tongue is a little bit higher than what we are used to seeing. So I think that's more to the OG. I think that's more true. And then as we go on the inner side of the shoe, as you guys can see right here, it's going to be the exact same thing. Material looks pretty good, as you guys can tell. Not bad material. Again, that 3M is kind of crazy looking with Dr. 3M on here. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. You got the translucent air unit right there. This does have the size tag right here, time, pump, whatever, because like I said, it's supposed to be a sample. I don't even know what language that in, because to be honest with you, but you do have the date and everything like that. Again, these actually did not hit production, and they did not release back in '99 and when these were supposed to. Let me go ahead and take the other one out the box. So here's the left one, as you guys can see right here. Like I said, super clean sneaker, not bad at all. I think these will sell out eventually. I think they're gonna sell out when the sneakers out. But it was just so much stuff that's dropping the All-Star weekend. I don't know how these are actually gonna do, man. But nonetheless, here you go right here. An early look at for you guys. I try to give you guys as detailed as I can. To me, the box in itself is like something that you're getting. I think the retail $215. So at least you feel like if you're gonna pay $215 that you're getting an actual sample, because they actually did do their part by making the box and everything look like that. You know what I'm saying? But super clean shoe. Like I said, box and everything, packaging, box and everything is what is like crazy, man. Super clean box, super clean shoes. Oh, let me show you guys on the inside. One of the most unique part, it does even give you that sample look right here. As you guys can see right here, it says Jordan, and that says not for resale, and that is the sample piece. You know what I'm saying? What you would get if it was actual sample sneakers. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what are your thoughts and opinion. How y'all feel about these, the Air Jordan 6 Salesman reverse infrareds. But y'all let me know down below.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you.